How to save digital recipes on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Once you're here, search for and visit any recipe page that you like. For example, allrecipes.com. You can explore the different types of recipes available over here. For each recipe, you can view its ingredients and procedures. If you want to save any recipe from here, then select the text as shown and tap on Copy. After that, go back and open up Notes. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the new note icon. Paste the recipe you just copied over here and then tap on the tick icon. You have now saved this recipe in your Notes app. Following these steps, you can easily save digital recipes on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.